Hello guys, so if you're looking to add your credit card on your Google Play or Google Wallet, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply open Wallet. So after opening Wallet, all you have to do is just simply click on add a card over here, or just simply go to add to wallet, then click on payment card and just simply scan your card if you want to, or you can just simply click on enter details manually to enter the details manually. And after that, if you have chosen manually, enter your card number, all the regarding information. So after the processing, it will ask you to verify yourself. So it will text you or email you a new registered mobile number or email address which is also registered with your debit card or credit card. So just simply do the verification process. So after that, the card is added into your Google Wallet. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.